Hey everyone, Donnie with Anderson Ford Motorsport. In today's product spotlight, we're going to be talking about the new Hi-Rev Clutch Kit that we're offering for your 5.0 or 4.6 liter T5 or T45 Mustang. The Hi-Rev Clutch Kit is a fantastic performance option if you're looking to replace your current clutch in your T5 or T45 Mustang. Now the clutch kit here does come with a pressure plate, a clutch disc, throwout bearing, pilot bearing, and alignment tool. We're offering these as two options with a 10 spline or a 26 spline. Horsepower ranges will vary based on your setup. Now if you're running a stock T45, you probably want to keep it around your 500 horsepower, but the clutch can definitely handle more, about 550. If you have a Tremec TKX 3550 or TKO 600 or 500, you can actually handle about 650 horsepower. Another cool thing about this clutch, being only a single disc clutch, is that the pedal effort is actually pretty minimal, and it's actually not much heavier than stock. And you can actually spin this thing, if it's set up properly, up to 8,000 RPM. So it's a fantastic value, and you get a lot of performance for the money. Overall, the Hi-Rev Clutch Kit is an excellent value. It's great performance for a single disc clutch, can handle a lot of power and higher RPM, and not kill your foot on the pedal effort. If you're interested in picking up a Hi-Rev Clutch Kit, you can give us a call or visit www.andersonfordmotorsport.com.